Domino's faced significant hurdles early on, grappling with financial constraints and legal troubles. These challenges tested Thomas's determination, ultimately fueling the company's growth and innovation. Thomas's upbringing played a crucial role in shaping his work ethic and business savvy. His experiences with loss and adversity instilled in him a relentless drive to succeed against all odds. Collaboration with his brother Jim proved essential in launching the restaurant. Despite the challenges their partnership encountered, it laid a strong groundwork for future achievements in the pizza industry. Tom faced tough times, often subsisting on burnt pizza while putting in long hours. This experience underscored his unwavering dedication, even amidst financial struggles, as he gradually improved sales and expanded his team. However, the relationship with Jim Gilmore turned detrimental when Tom realized too late that he had partnered with someone lacking integrity. This misstep not only threatened his restaurant but also resulted in severe financial setbacks. Following legal disputes, Tom encountered further obstacles from Dominic Difty, who felt threatened by Tom's rising success. This rivalry led to customer confusion, complicating Tom's efforts to stabilize his business. Tom's insightful decision regarding menu size resulted in increased profits by focusing exclusively on pizzas. This strategic move streamlined operations and significantly alleviated workload. The introduction of innovative delivery methods, such as cardboard boxes and delivery pouches, ensured the quality of Domino's pizzas. These strategies distinguished them from competitors like Pizza Hut. Franchising emerged as a critical growth strategy for Domino's, particularly in targeting college towns and military bases for new outlets. This approach effectively broadened their market presence. The 30-minute delivery campaign significantly boosted Domino's sales, earning the title of the fastest-growing restaurant chain at that time. This marketing tactic drew in customers eager for quick service. Nevertheless, the relentless pursuit of quick deliveries led to numerous tragic accidents involving drivers. Legal repercussions followed, resulting in hefty fines imposed on the company due to these incidents. In addition to delivery accidents, a viral video in 2009 exposed unsanitary practices among Domino's employees, severely damaging the brand's reputation. This incident underscored ongoing challenges with quality control and customer trust.